welcome to NJPS online classes. Today we are going to learn something very interesting. So let's begin and happy learning. Yes, we are going to learn about good habits. Children, it is very important to develop habits during our early age. And why it is important? Because if you have good habits, then you can have a very good life. So let's discuss good habits. The first good habit is waking up early in the morning. We should always wake up early in the morning. And what will happen if we don't wake up early in the morning? We will get late for everything and everybody will scold us. So it is best to wake up early in the morning. Next is once you wake up, then you should brush your teeth properly. You should brush your teeth properly and rinse your mouth nicely. And children, how many times do you need to brush your teeth? Yes, 2 times. Once in the morning and once before going to bed. You should always brush your teeth before going to bed also. Next good habit is taking a bath daily. You should always take a bath daily. But children, one thing which I need to tell you is don't take a shower bath. Don't use your shower to take a bath. Always use a bucket and a mug to take a bath. Why? Because this way you will be saving water and you will be helping others also. Saving water is very important. Next thing, children, is you need to wear clean and neat clothes. You need to wear very clean and neat clothes. And why do you need to wear good clothes or clean clothes? Because you will feel good about yourself. You will feel happy about yourself. You will feel tidy about yourself. You will not feel untidy. Can you see this boy over here? He is dressed so shabbily and he doesn't look good. To look good, you have to wear neat and clean clothes. Next, children, you should comb your hair properly. Every day you should comb your hair after taking a bath. Next habit is you should go to school on time. Yes, you should reach your school on time. Why? Because it is the rule of the school. And if you don't go to school on time, what will happen? You will get scoldings from your teacher. So, always reach school on time. Next thing is, children, you should cut your nails every week. Once in a week, you should cut your nails, fingernails and toenails with a nail cutter. And you should never chew your nails with your teeth. That's a very bad habit. Next good habit is you should do exercise regularly. And why do you need to do exercise regularly? To keep yourself healthy and fit and happy also. By doing exercise regularly, you will not become fat and unhealthy. Next good habit is you should pray daily. Children, you should daily thank God for all the love and care you receive from your parents, friends, teachers, and everyone around you. Pray regularly. Next good habit is you should eat healthy food. Healthy and balanced food. Balanced diet. You should eat vegetables, fruits, dairy products, everything that will keep your body healthy. And you should try to avoid as much as possible junk and unhealthy foods. Next good habit is you should do some indoor and outdoor activities like playing with your friends outside, drawing, painting, reading some books. You should always do some good activity for your entertainment rather than sitting and looking at the TV, laptop, or playing mobile games. You should always do some creative work when you're not studying, and you should play outside the house. Next good habit is you should study daily. Yes, children, when you go to school, you study in the entire day, and when you come back from school, you should revise what you have studied in the school. This will help you to learn your lessons quickly, and you will become a very good student. Next good habit is helping your parents. And how can you help your parents? By picking up your own toys, cleaning your own room, making your own bed, and laying the lunch or dinner table. By doing these small tasks, you will be making your parents very happy. Another good habit is helping others. And how can you help others? Children, if you see somebody old trying to cross the road, you can help that person to cross the road. Or if your friend falls down, just immediately go and pick them up and ask if everything is okay. Or you can just read a book to your grandparents. In these ways, you can help others. Next good habit is yes, you should sleep early. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Yes, you should sleep early. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay healthy.